That's a reason why parents love Magic Fold. Magic Fold playpen is now more affordable with the new Comfy Baby Otto travel card from Malaysia. Comfy Baby Otto have a minimalist outer look, easy to match with most of the interior design. Support from newborn up to 15 kg, approximately 3 years old. Just slide down this side door and attach with parents' bedding for easy carrying of your baby. Otto is a standard size playpen with 2 feet in width and 4 feet in length. The original platform comes with a layer of cushion, support with 5 boards and 2 steel bars. So the upper layer can support from newborn up to 11 kg. When baby about 6 months, when they try to flip over the body, now remove the platform, undo the platform holder, place the platform all the way down to the bottom level, and now you can support up to 15 kg. There's a zipper door here where you can use as a storage. Comfy Baby Otto is a 2-wheel design, lift up to move around and put down to brake. The most attractive part is the Magic Fold. So just pull up the folding strap to fold in second, and to unfold it, just push down the base and you are ready to go. In summary, Comfy Baby Otto suitable for parents who are looking for a slimmer playpen with only 60 cm in width, at the same time have 120 cm in length, and you have a full set of accessories at a very affordable price. So there with me, let's check out Comfy Baby Otto playpen at My Love Baby for extra value.